So we'll bring the biomass after it's been ground, load them into these 25 micron socks. We weigh them out to 11 pounds each. We do that for a few different reasons. One, we're not using the centrifuge for extraction. We're actually doing room temperature so that we get a broader spectrum of cannabinoids, and the only thing we really have to go back and remediate is the chlorophyll itself, other than the THC to be within compliance. But so we'll take 48 of those socks, put them into our 6 barrels on our table that's all plumbed in. Each table holds 528 pounds, right around 1,050. We'll soak them for roughly 5 hours at a time, gravity drain them off into another tote, and then that tote will be waiting to go into pre-filter. Pre-filter then continues through the other filtration stages. By the time it comes out of the filtration area, the crude rich methanol alcohol mix that we're using will go straight into our evaporation system. Once it comes out of there, we leave roughly 20% of the solvent residing in the solution so that it can pour out as a fluid. And then if the client wants, we'll go to THC remediation. If not, we just continue over to going to the wipe film again to decarb and finish it off.